current video, we are going to see how you can perform a cache reset on the Intapp Documents service using the API. So in this case, we have an Intapp Documents instance. Maybe we want to reset the cache using the API. First step is just to get the URL of your host site. You can find that easily by clicking on the SharePoint icon here, which will take you to the underlying host site. So you can see here, it's ODGM 97. So just copy that URL. The next step is then to go to the Intapp Swagger API. Okay, now that will be linked in the description for this video, but the API looks like this. So custodian01.repstore.com/swagger/UI/index, and that will take you to this screen. Obviously, you need to be authenticated to do what we're about to do here, but if I scroll down through the list of API methods, under settings, what you'll see is if you expand that, there's a whole set of API calls that you can make. One of those is, of course, reset cache. So just expand that. Here, what you do is to use this API method, simply copy this sample JSON from the preview window here into the request window. You can do that simply by clicking on it, like so. You can also drag this out a little bit to expand it. You can remove this correlation ID. That's not necessarily of use for this particular activity. What you do need to do, however, is replace this string with the actual URL of the host site that Intapp is installed against. So simply replace that string value with the URL that you copied and pasted a few moments ago. So now our request looks like this. Once you've done that, click on the try it out button, and that will send that request off to the Intapp service and perform a cache reset. So you can see here that has now executed. It's come back with a response code of 204, which is indicating success. And if we go back then to the main ICP Intapp collaboration platform itself, click on refresh. There we go now. That's it. The cache for that instance has been reset.